Hey everyone, today we have this new Fitbit recall for the Fitbit Ionic watch. Here you can see this is the watch right over here, and we have a recall for it because it has a hazardous battery that could explode at any moment. So this is a returning package right over here for the Fitbit Ionic I have right over here, which I'm going to be returning just like this. And I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. And you just need to go to this website where you can fill out the form to return the Fitbit Ionic device, and I will have the link for that in the description box below, so please check that out. And you're going to receive $300 if you return this, so this is a pretty awesome deal, and they will give you everything you need to return it. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So first thing you need to do is open the battery pack and then place the device in there. So we have the device in there, and make sure to not include any charger or any accessory. You just need to leave it in just like this. So you just need to take your Fitbit device, make sure to fold it like this, and then put it inside the pack like this, nice and tight. And then you just need to seal it. So there's like this strip over here, and boom, just like this. You just need to seal it just like this, nice and easy, perfectly sealed. Now what you need to do is take this box over here. They will send you a box. So you just need to put the device in here just like this, and then secure it from all angles. So just like this, you just need to pull this strip of tape and then apply the glue just like this. Boom, secured. And then from here too as well, just like this, nice and easy. And this is pre-labeled and it has all the information on it, so you just need to drop it off at any UPS store and they will take care of it. So now this is ready to return. Make sure you take the tracking number so that you can track the package as well. And now it's ready to go. Now you just need to drop it off at the UPS store, and then within 3 to 6 weeks you will receive your refund of $300. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe down below. See you guys next time with an amazing video.